today let's start with chapter number first, networking concept. So in this chapter, I will tell you about computer network, types of computer network topologies, what are protocols, transmission media, right? So first, what is network? Computer network. It is the collection of computer server, mainframe, network device, peripheral, other device connected to one another जो allow करता है sharing of data, right? So an excellent example of network is the internet which connects millions of people all over the world. It consists of two or more computers which is linked in order to share the resources, right? Exchange of files and our electronic computers network. It is maybe linked through cables, telephone lines, radio waves, satellites or inferred light feeds. A computer network is a group of computer or computer-like devices which are connected together to share network resources like file, printer, network service. So computer networks are required for network communication and network resource sharing, right? To build and connect computer network, we need computer and special network infrastructure device. So what are use of computer network? It helps user on network to share resource and to communication with others. You can imagine a world now without emails, online newspaper, banks, chat and other services. The following are the important uses and benefits of a computer network. First is file sharing. ये आपको help करता है so that network user can share different file. Hardware sharing. ये डिवाइस को आप शेयर करते हो जैसे प्रिंटर, स्कैनर, सीडी रोम, ड्राइवर्स, हार्ड ड्राइव्स. विदाउट कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क डिवाइस शेयरिंग इज नॉट पॉसिबल. देन एप्लीकेशन शेयरिंग. आप क्या करते हो नेटवर्क्स में थ्रू इम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ क्लाइंट सर्वर आप क्या करते हो एप्लीकेशन शेयर करते हो. यूजर कम्युनिकेशन. इट अलाउज टू कम्युनिकेट यूजिंग ईमेल, न्यूज ग्रुप्स, वीडियो कॉल. नेटवर्क गेमिंग. जितने भी मल्टी यूजर्स है दे कैन प्ले गेम्स इन डिफरेंट लोकेशन. VoIP, voice over IP. It is an internet protocol, is a revolutionary change in telecommunication which allows to send telephone calls using standard internet protocol rather than by transistor PST. Now types of computer networks we have LAN, MAN, PAN, WAN. LAN means local area network जो एक limited होता है एक respect to एक geographical area. Then we have PAN, personal area network which revolves around a person. It a network है which is created so that a person can communicate to different device like mobile phones, laptops, printers which are nearby. Now MEN, that is metropolitan area network. ये वाइल एरिया को कवर करता है. It is capable as compared to other as it covers lot of distance. Then we have WAN, that is wide area network which is much more capable network than any other type of network as it span a wide geographical area. You see in cities, countries and even different continents. Next example जो है वो आपका WAN. Then we have CAN, that is campus it. एक मतलब आपके library से college, college से hostel like this. So it is a multiple local area network which is connected together in a huge campus. ऐसा मैंने आपको यहाँ पे दिखा. Now network topology, which is a physical layout of the computer, cables and other components. First is bus topology. When single cable is used to connect all the computers and net, इसको हम bus topology कहते हैं. Any data जो get transmitted from a computer in a bus topology, it's travel through a length of a bus so that data reaches all the computer. जो address होता है वो intended होता है and a network data is traveling get accepted by the computer but it is rejected by other computer. What is ring topology? It is closed ring-like structure formed in this topology. The name ring topology, even every computer is connected to other computer. Star, which is designed with each node, workstation and connected directly to the central. एक network switch होता है, central device होती है, उससे connected होती है. Most popular and widely used LAN, Ethernet currently operates in star topology. ये easy to detect होता है, right? Then we have mesh topology. Every network device is connected to other device. Mesh topology is costly because of the extra cable which is needed. और ये बहुत ज़्यादा complex होती है और difficult to manage. The main advantage of mesh topology is multiple paths to the destination computer. If one link is down, we have another path to reach the destination. Mesh topology is commonly used these days. आप देखेंगे. Now protocols. ये set of rules हैं which a computer or computer network follow in order to communicate with other communicate. Network protocols define communication between different devices participating in a computer network like HTTP, TCP or IP. Next is HTTP, right? Hypertext Transfer Protocol used for the transfer of HTML pages between a web server and web browser. Next is Transmission Control Protocol, which is generally known as TCP/IP, जिससे हम डाटा को एक्सचेंज करते हैं over the internet. It is used along with IP. The data exchange is in the form of bundle, जिसको हम packet भी कहते हैं. And the job of TCP is to divide information which is contained in the packet before sending them and reassembling them, right? Now transmission media, it is a pathway जो क्या करता है information को sender से receiver को भेजता है, right? Data is transmitted normally through electrical or electronic magnet signals. यहाँ पे आपके दो types of transmission media है, that is wire, जिसमें आपके ट्विस्टेड पेयर केबल आ जाता है, कोएक्सियल और ऑप्टिकल फाइबर आता है. ट्विस्टेड पेयर क्या है? विच इज मेड अप ऑफ टू वायर ट्विस्टेड टुगेदर इन ऑर्डर टू फॉर्म केबल. ये डिस्टर्बेंस और नॉइस जो सिग्नल्स है उनको रिड्यूस करता है, राइट. नेक्स्ट इट इज अनशील्ड ट्विस्टेड पेयर, जिसको हम क्या कहते हैं, यूटीपी. कोएक्सियल इलेक्ट्रिकल केबल विच हैज प्रेजेंस ऑफ कंडक्टर इन द सेंटर. It is insulated and its isolation is again surrounded by conductive layer, जिसको हम शील्ड कहते हैं. ऑप्टिकल फायर क्या होता है? हैज अ ग्लास पोर इन इट्स सेंटर दैट इज सराउंडेड बाय प्रोटेक्टिव मटेरियल, जिसमें आपकी सेवरल लेयर्स होती है, राइट. और एक लाइट फॉर्म करती है, नॉट एन इलेक्ट्रिक सिग्नल. ऑप्टिकल फाइबर केबल इज क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव एज कम्पेयर टू कोएक्सियल, जो ट्रांसफर करता है ओवर अ लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस, और डाटा जो ट्रांसफर की स्पीड है वो बहुत ज्यादा हाई होती है इन दिस टाइप ऑफ केबल. नाउ वायरलेस ट्रांसमिशन मीडिया which does not require to transfer data with the help of wire. That is infrared transmission. Infrared are the basically waves that are used to transmit data in short distance span. No physical barrier, जिससे कोई wall work नहीं करती है. TV and remote control, wireless mouse, keyboards are used as infrared wave. Now microwave transmission क्या होता है? Which travel only in one direction, which is used for communication with satellite or by terrestrial communication, and can only be in the line of sight, which is why tower with antennas have to direct sight of one another, right? To transmit information from Earth's base station to satellite, we use microwave as they can easily penetrate through Earth's atmosphere. So, radio waves transmission, microwaves होते हैं वो travel करते हैं in one direction, but radio waves can travel in all direction. And the transmitter and receiver are not required to be carefully aligned as they are omnidirectional, right? These waves are, however, subject to disturbance from motors or other electrical equipments. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth both are used as radio waves to set up a network. Bluetooth क्या होता है? सब डाटा को एक शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस में या एक शॉर्ट रेंज में ही क्या कर सकते हो? ट्रांसफर कर. Wi-Fi technology use radio waves for transmission or reception of data is required more energy. Network devices. Let's study about the network devices. First, we have NIC, that is Network Interface Card. It's a hardware device which is connected to the computer to enable communication over the network. Right? Right. Next is, it is uniquely identify a computer on network. Next is modem, that is modulator and demodulate. ये एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस है जो डिजिटल सिग्नल को किसमें कन्वर्ट करती है? एनालॉग फॉर्म में. Right, when they reach the desired destination, the modem converts these analog signal back into digital signal of the computer to understand. Hub, basically a device that is used to connect all computers in a network, right? What it do? It collects different computer network which is individually responsible in the network to determine which packets to accept and reject, right? Now switch. It is also used to connect device to a network which is different from hub, and it is directly send the data made for a computer to it and not to others, right? It analyzes the destination after receiving data and send it to the desired destination directly. Router and bridge. It is a networking device that forwards data packets between computer network. ये router जो होता है ये tracing directing function करता है. A packet that is typically forwarded from one router to another, right? Then we have bridge. ये क्या होता है? कंप्यूटर नेटवर्किंग डिवाइस होती है जो एक सिग्नल एग्रीगेट नेटवर्क को फॉर्म करती है, मल्टीपल कम्युनिकेशन नेटवर्क. This function is called network bridging, which is distinct from routing. It allows multiple network to communicate independently and yet remain separate. In the OSI model, bridging is performed in the data link layer. If one or more segments of the bridge networks are wireless, इस device को क्या कहा जाता है? Wireless bridge. रिपीटर इन टैली कम्युनिकेशन, रिपीटर इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस जो सिग्नल रिसीव करती है और उसको रीट्रांसमिट करती है, राइट, एंड इट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सटेंड ट्रांसमिशन सो दैट द सिग्नल कैन कवर लॉन्गर डिस्टेंसेस टू बी रिसीव ऑन द अदर साइड ऑफ obstruction. What is network security? Network security is an activity designed to protect unusability and integrity of your network and data. यहाँ पे आपके दोनों हार्डवेयर और सॉफ्टवेयर टेक्नोलॉजीज होती है. इफेक्टिव नेटवर्क सिक्योरिटी होती है. इट मैनेजेस एक्सेस एंड इट्स टारगेट्स वेराइटी ऑफ थ्रेट्स एंड स्टॉप्स देम फ्रॉम एंट्री और स्प्रेडिंग ऑन योर नेटवर्क. Like we have virus, which impacts and interface with the day-to-day operations. It spreads itself from one computer to another. Virus gets attached to the file, and when you copy this file from one computer to another, it's sent in an email attachment. Now worm. This type of computer program that uses computer network to send copy of itself to other computer. Virus क्या करते हैं? वो ट्रांसफर करते हैं ड्यू टू ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन लाइक कॉपिंग ऑफ फाइल. बट वर्म से होता है वो जो कॉपी होती है उसको विदाउट रिक्वायरिंग एनी ह्यूमन इंटरवेंशन अपने आप सेंड कर देता है. नाउ ट्रोजन हॉर्स. It looks like useful software for a computer, but it is not. It's harm the computer once it gets executed or installed. Data cheat means people stealing data by hacking a computer and breaking into computer net. This could be disturbed by functioning of network or steal the information which is stored on the computer. Hackers can be white hackers who hack computer to solve and fix problem that help individual and corporation in making their network more secure. Black hackers क्या होते हैं? They are known as crackers. They hack computers to disturb functioning of the network. Now computer security. Antivirus, all computer in a computer network should have antivirus on them which protects computer from worm like Trojan and other malwares. Then firewall क्या करता है? कंप्यूटर को जो भी unauthorized access है उससे प्रोटेक्ट करता है. ठीक है, it can be introduced in computer as a software or hardware for combination of both. All the data that enters or leave the computer, it goes through firewall so that it can examine and computer can be protected. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now let's start with the exercise. Topology that makes a star by connecting a computer to all other. That is star topology. An electric cable has conductor in the center. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? It is known as coaxial cable. The type of network consists of multiple WAN, world area network. Now fill in the blanks. The computer or network are linked through. किससे linked होते हैं? They are linked through cables and satellite. Dash provides security to the computer from unauthorized access, firewall. Dash connects all computer in a network, that is router. The dash connect multiple LANs, that is backbone. Now, network topologies are the layout in which computers are linked to each other. It's true. CAN stands for computer campus area network. It's true. Antivirus is used to protect computer from threat of virus. It's true. Firewall and antivirus are same things. False. They are not same thing. Now answer the following. What is meant by computer network? You have to explain its meaning in detail. What are different types of network? What is antivirus and why it is used for? What is firewall and how does it protects computer? जितने भी unauthorized जो sources है, उनका जो access है, उससे इसको बचाता है. Right? Now we have completed this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.